modern 19th century covered market, which replaced the town's more traditional markets, was a popular place for shopping and for meeting up with friends and neighbours. New material was used such as iron, glass and ceramics. New hygiene rules were applied, giving the building a whole new concept. The first covered market was built on Place de la Motte in 1852. It soon became too small and was transferred to Place Carnot, where it is still located today. A new, more important project began, the Central Market Hall, inspired by the works of Gustave Eiffel, with a metal structure allowing for large openings. This rectangular pavilion has an opening on each side, making its access more convenient and giving shoppers more space to walk around. Its base is made of granite, and its brick walls have identical geometrical figures on them, giving rhythm and color to their lower parts. There are arabesques on the higher parts. The building had cladding for ventilation, which was replaced by windows later on, reflecting different parts of Limoges, just like mirrors. Above the cornice, the 328 panels are a rare tribute to the use of porcelain in Limoges architecture. They represent various products which can be found on the market stalls. They were made by students at the National Decorative Arts School with the help of Limoges' Old Guérin porcelain factory. Nowadays, the market is open every morning. It is a local hotspot with 2 restaurants and about 40 shopkeepers with all types of foods, including meat and fish.